Environmental impact is massive. Look at our diminishing salmon populations due to the dams on the lower Snake River with no ladders.
Every word in that sentence is wrong.
The first dam on the Columbia was built near Wenatchee at a place called Rock Island in 1930. Next was Bonneville, just east of Portland. And from the very beginning, this dam had fish passage facilities. Now, the next big dam was a lot more impactful, Grand Coulee. This dam was also part of the New Deal, but as a high dam, it was considered far too big to accommodate fish passage, at least for the time. Which means that from 1940 on, everything upstream of here was cut off to salmon migration. Spokane River, Pend Oreille River, Clark Fork River, all the Canadian habitat, all of it cut off to salmon migration. Next was the Dalles Dam, followed by McNairy, and eventually John Day. So those are the early dams on the Columbia. What about the lower Snake River? At the Tri-Cities, we take a right turn and go up to Ice Harbor, Lower Monumental, Little Goose, and finally, Lower Granite. There are a lot of factors that affect salmon migration in the Columbia Snake River Basin. Habitat access, water temperature, harvesting, and some other dams we haven't talked about, lack of fish passage. But not on the lower Snake River. All four of the controversial dams on the lower Snake River have had upstream fish passage from day one. Now, more recently, biologists found that the downstream passage was less than ideal. And they're well on the way to fixing that with brand new upgraded downstream passage facilities. But yeah, the lower Snake River dams have always had fish ladders.